Now here is a quick classification for NCET examination. Now as we said, there are two language papers. One is your English and another available language, regional language or Hindi, whatever you are opting for. In each of these languages there would be 23 questions, of which you have to attempt 20 questions. Then there are 3 domain subjects that you have to opt. Students from PCM can opt for physics, chemistry, maths. From PCB can opt for physics, chemistry, biology, and so on and so forth. The similar thing goes for arts and humanities students as well. So in the domain subject there would be 28 questions, of which you have to attempt 25 in each. So physics 25, chemistry 25, maths 25, like that. And then there would be another test of teaching aptitude, where you would be compulsorily asked questions specifically on teaching aptitude, and another test where you would be having a general test, which is general knowledge, general reasoning. Right, the computer based examination would be there. It would be 3 hours of examination, where you have to attempt 40 questions from languages and 75 questions from domain, which would matter the most. Teaching aptitude is again a very integral part of it. The medium is variable. You have the paper available in 13 languages. While you are filling the form, you have to opt for the language that you want. You would have the option of bilingual in certain cases, but not for all. Specifically for languages, you would have it in a single language. So thanks for joining. In case you have any questions or concerns, you can connect us on the number below, and here is the complete preparation guidelines for your NCET examination. Good luck.